In this video, we're going to show you how to create and add a new template, add that template to an app, and then make that template optional if you want to have it optional based on a question. So first step we're going to take is that you should have, on this page, you'll have a place where you can download the employment agreement, and that's the document you're going to work on next. And so I've downloaded it and I've logged in already to my workspace, and you'll see that I've got the Knackly Training. You may have some other catalogs here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the Knackly Training catalog, and you'll see I already have my business letter there, but I also want to add a new template. I'm going to call this employment agreement. So I'm going to click add a new template. I'm going to do employment agreement. And it's going to be document, automatically open a new template. Okay, so now I have my template. Now all I need to do is take what I've done here and copy it and then paste it into here. And I'm just going to go ahead, and at this stage I want to just save it so I have it uploaded. So now my document is saved. Alternatively, if I didn't want to copy and paste it, I could actually go online to the designer, and under Knackly Training catalog, under templates, I could go through and add a new template here, type in my template name, and then click upload, and I can just upload the deployment documents and then pull it up in Word. You have two options there. So now I've added the template and it's up there. So the next step is I need to add it to my application, my app. So I'll go to the app designer right here. I've got the business letter right now. If I click on templates here, I see, and I remove variables, I see that I've got my employment agreement. I can go through and just pull that in and say save. Now that save, now if I come back here and I click review and update, no questions have been added to because I didn't fill out any addition. I haven't automated it at all, but if I click complete, you'll now see that you've got the employment agreement and your business letter. So you've got those two things, and that's how you can add multiple documents. It's super easy. Now, say for example, I want to make the employment agreement optional. So when I go into this intake, I want to have a true false question that says include the employment agreement. So what I'll do is go to the designer. I'll add, in this case, a new variable. I'm going to say it's a true false variable. I'm just going to say include employment agreement. Click OK. Now I've got it. I can put my label in here. I can change it. I can put help text in there. I can do whatever I want to it. I've got that added. I can come to apps, and I've got my business letter and my employment agreement. What I can do is I can do an if statement around the employment agreement. So if, so really I can just copy this. If include employment agreement, and I like to just give a little bit of spacing there so I can see, and end if. Click save, and now I go back in, review and update, and I now have this include employment agreement, yes or no, and I can change where I want it to be based on the layout that we went through in different videos. And if I have it checked and click complete, I will get both of them. If I go back in and review and update, and I uncheck it and click complete, then I only have one document. And that's how you can go through and add new templates, add that template to an app, and then make the template optional.